Hey guys, welcome to my new video. Today I will be talking about making YouTube videos from your cell phone. I know a lot of people who wants to start their YouTube channel, but they keep saying that they're waiting for some money to buy a camera to start their YouTube channel. But I always encourage them, make videos from your cell phone. Most, if not all, my videos on my YouTube channel were shot from my cell phone, and they're of pretty good quality. I do have a DSLR camera. This is a Canon Rebel T6i. It has a screen that you can flip out so you can see yourself while you make videos. Also has external microphone that can be plugged onto it, and also a tripod that you can stand up to shoot yourself or just to hold so you can shoot yourself as well. The reason why I'd rather use my cell phone over my DSLR camera is because this thing is heavy. It also takes up a lot of space for when you're going out. Also, different lenses that you would need for different shots as well. I rather use my DSLR camera for photography than videography. For my cell phone as well, it's always with me, and a cell phone is always with you wherever you go for most people. And you can always easily take it out and start recording. I also have the Gopro Hero 6 Black, which is an action camera. It's a nice camera for making videos as well, but it's a bit pricey. Plus, the DSLR camera as well is even more pricier. Cell phone these days may cost an arm and a leg as well, but guess what? For the quality that you're getting on the camera plus a cell phone in one is a win-win situation. It makes no sense you buy a action camera or a DSLR camera and then you go buy a cell phone. It makes sense you buy a good cell phone and use your cell phone as your vlogging camera. To get started with making videos, you'd like to go into your phone setting, choose the highest setting on your camera so that you can get the highest resolution there is, whichever cell phone that you have. You would also want to take into consideration memory cards. You want to have as much memory as possible while shooting your videos so that you don't run out of storage. What I'm going to do right now is to go outside with my cell phone and show you some awesome shots that you can capture from your cell phone. So you can see how easy it is to shoot videos on your cell phone. All those shots that you just saw was shot from my cell phone. It's a Samsung Galaxy Note 8, And I know this is not like the best phone there is out there on the market today, but you just have to be creative with whatever cell phone that you have in your possession. Alright, so I have 5 more tips here for you for recording videos using your cell phone for YouTube. Always record using your phone in a landscape mode instead of a portrait mode. Recording your video in a portrait mode will look something like this. No one wants to see your video looking like this for YouTube or on a bigger screen if they're watching on a tablet, mobile device as well, and for computers or television if they're watching your video on those devices. Recording your video on a landscape mode will make your video look something like this. That's the best quality or best tip that I can give you for recording your videos, because people tend to forget while recording videos with their cell phone. They normally, hold their phones like this instead of like this most of the time. Another tip is record using the rear camera. Your rear camera will give you more megapixel or a higher quality video than the selfie camera. Most, if not all, cell phone these days comes with a better rear camera than a selfie camera. What you'd like to do is to go into your phone settings, whatever phone that you have in the camera settings, and select the highest quality ever there is for the rear camera. Another tip for recording videos is get a selfie stick or a tripod or something that you can stand your phone on so your video is as steady as possible if you're going to be setting up your phone for recording videos. This way your video won't be so shaky, or will even look much better like a professional video. What you'd also like to do is, if you're going to be holding your phone in your hand to record video, try not to cover the microphone of the phone. This way, if you cover the microphone, your audio will sound very bad. And my final tip is to record as much as possible, because guess what? You want as much footage as possible while recording your videos, so you have a lot of footage to edit. You can always cut them out while editing and delete whatever you don't need. So for now, if you're going to be using your cell phone to record videos, just practice, practice, practice. Practice becomes perfect, and you will always improve from the last video that you record. I hope you like this video. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe, comment, share this video with anybody who wants to see it, who is trying to build their YouTube channel using their cell phone. I'll catch you in the next video, where I will show you how to edit videos using your mobile phones for YouTube. Thank you.